Masako Katsura, nicknamed Katsy and sometimes called the First Lady of Billiards, was a Japanese carom billiards player who was most active in the 1950s. Katsura blazed a trail for women in the sport by competing and placing among the best in the male-dominated world of professional billiards. First learning the game from her brother-in-law and then under the tutelage of Japanese champion Kinrey Matsuyama, Katsura became Japan's only female professional player. In competition in Japan, she took second place in the country's national three-cushion billiards championship 3 times. In exhibition she was noted for running 10,000 points at the game of straight trail. After marrying a U.S. Army non-commissioned officer in 1950, Katsura emigrated to the United States in 1951. There she was invited to play in the 1952 U.S.-sponsored World Three-Cushion Championship, ultimately taking 7th place at that competition. Katsura was the first woman ever to be included in any World Billiards tournament. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.